Today I am reviewing the RV landing gear leg. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you own a fifth-wheel RV, you already know how important stability and reliability are when setting up or leveling your trailer. The landing gear system is one of those components you don't think about much until it fails or starts wearing out. That's where a replacement like the 179013 RV lead fifth-wheel landing gear leg comes into play. This is a heavy-duty replacement part designed to restore proper function and stability to your RV support system. Right away, one of the most important things about this product is that it is built to OEM standards. That means it is manufactured to match or exceed original equipment specifications. In practical terms, this ensures that the part fits correctly without modification and performs the same function as the original landing gear leg. It is designed to directly replace part number LG-179013, making it a straightforward swap for compatible systems. Compatibility is a key factor here. This landing gear leg is designed for universal mount fifth-wheel RV landing gear systems, including brands like Lippert, Venture, Atwood, and Stromberg Carlson. Specifically, it is compatible with Stromberg Carlson systems such as LG-1, LG-3, and LG-179013. However, it is always important to double-check your existing model and part number before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. Getting the right match is essential for safety and performance. One of the standout features of this landing gear leg is its heavy-duty construction. It is built from durable steel, which provides strong load-bearing capability and long-term stability. This is especially important when supporting the weight of a fully loaded fifth-wheel trailer. The improved manufacturing process and surface treatment also help enhance durability, protecting the part from wear, corrosion, and long-term outdoor exposure. In real-world use, this kind of durability makes a big difference. RV owners often deal with frequent setup and breakdown when traveling, and the landing gear takes a lot of stress during these operations. A strong, well-built replacement part helps ensure that lifting and stabilizing the trailer remains smooth and safe, even after repeated use over time. Another major advantage of this product is ease of installation. The landing gear leg is designed to match the exact dimensions of the original OEM part, which means it can be installed directly without modifications. It also comes with a drop leg and cage pin included, which simplifies the replacement process even further. For many users, installation can be completed in around 30 minutes, especially if they are familiar with RV maintenance. This ease of installation is a big benefit because it reduces downtime. Instead of spending hours or days dealing with complex repairs or professional service appointments, RV owners can replace the part themselves and get back on the road faster. This not only saves time, but also reduces repair costs. In terms of performance, once installed, the landing gear leg provides solid and stable support for the RV. It helps ensure that the trailer remains level and secure when parked, which is critical for both safety and comfort. A stable RV is easier to live in, safer to enter and exit, and less likely to experience shifting or movement during use. Another important aspect is reliability and long-term support. The product comes with a 36-month warranty and 24-hour customer service support. This is a strong indication that the manufacturer stands behind the quality of the part. For RV owners, having warranty coverage provides peace of mind, especially when dealing with essential structural components like landing gear systems. From a maintenance perspective, replacing worn or damaged landing gear legs is essential for keeping your RV in safe working condition. Over time, original components can wear down due to repeated use, weather exposure, and load stress. Replacing them with a properly engineered OEM-compatible part helps restore original performance and prevents potential mechanical issues. It is also worth noting that while this is a universal compatible part, precision still matters. Ensuring that your RV model matches the specifications is crucial before installation. This is not a one-size-fits-all component in the loose sense. It is designed for specific landing gear systems that follow standardized dimensions. In conclusion, the 179013 RV lead fifth-wheel landing gear leg is a strong, reliable, and practical replacement solution for RV owners who need to restore or upgrade their landing gear system. With OEM-level compatibility, heavy-duty steel construction, easy installation, and solid warranty support, it provides a dependable option for maintaining the stability and safety of your fifth-wheel trailer. If you're dealing with a worn or failing landing gear leg, this replacement offers a straightforward way to bring your system back to proper working condition without unnecessary complexity or cost.